Okay guys, what is up guys? So I recently modded my keyboard and it sounds so good. Okay, so I actually kind of wanted the like Thocky styled. Taylor, shut up! I wanted the Thocky styled keyboard, but I'm pretty sure my keyboard sounds more creamy than Thocky, so that's great. But I don't know. I guess this is a story time about how I ended up modding my keyboard. Also, don't mind the tape that's right here. Leave it in for another 10 minutes. But yeah, so I've been like watching. What? Huh?
Does the aluminum foil go back on?
No. So I've been watching like a lot of Hippiotech and like Switch and Click and Garces and Squashy Boy and everything like that. And I will tag their stuff down below. And they've just, I mean, they've got good content and they've got good ways to like mod your keyboard. So the mods that I did was I stuffed.
I forgot what I was gonna say. Jeffrey, you want a treat? Come on. Come on. Look.
Oh no, I fell. Okay. I stuffed my keyboard with, you know, like
Hurry,
the filling of a dog toy or like a stuffed animal. I stuffed it with that. So to make it sound like better. How did you hit me twice? Okay. But yeah, so okay, this game is going great already. So come back, please. Oh, he just jumped to the point. Oh, that was great. Okay, no, but like Switch and Click and everybody else is like they've got really good content and everything like that. I mean, they're all funny, like really, really funny. And I like how Hippiotech's voice is like really soothing. I also I watched a video of Rubea's. I still don't know how to pronounce your name, Ruby. So I'm sorry about that. But okay. No, but like I watched a video of Ruby's and she's like, "Don't make the same mistake that I did." And I was like, "What? I won't." And it was just, I mean, that was great. I actually downloaded all of her texture packs. So there are 55 texture packs. I'm using one of them right now, but I have 55 texture packs, including all of the like 50 more that I have currently in my texture pack folders. Yeah, it's great. It's great. I don't know why I do this to myself, where I just download thousands of of um texture packs. It's kind of funny to think about the fact that I probably had used more texture packs than the average Bed Wars player, unless you count like ranked Bed Wars players, because ranked Bed Wars players have so many freaking texture packs. But anyways, yeah, I modded my keyboard. I did everything right. So I didn't have any like normal lube. So I took coconut oil. That sounds like so wrong to say, but I took like I legitimately like took coconut oil and I melted it in a bowl, and then I took a brush, what is it called? A paintbrush, and freaking okay, I took a paintbrush, like a literal paintbrush, and coconut oil in a bowl, and I used that as lube because I like physically don't have the money to buy lube, even though it's probably not super expensive. Oh, you're here already. Okay, that's great. But yeah, I'm broke. Oh, and another thing. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to. Okay, that game went great. I've decided that I'm officially going to try and make when I get money, of course. Matthew I am, which I will link his Twitch down in the um, description, as well as Icy Moo, a keyboard, like a whole custom keyboard. So, like my legit, not even kidding, comfort streamers. I am gonna try and make them a keyboard. Oh dear. Okay, I'm gonna try and make them a keyboard. Of course, it's gonna be like that. These guys are gonna be like my trial runs for like keyboard making and everything like that. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Okay, but yeah, they're gonna be my trial run for keyboard making, and it's the keyboard's probably gonna suck because I don't have money, but it might. Oh, okay, well that's great. It might be next year that I actually make them something, or maybe 2024. But I plan to like actually make them something where, like, it's fully custom. So I was actually thinking for Matthew, or Matt. I was gonna do because he's got like a dinosaur onesie around his thing, but I was thinking of like a green case, like a green aluminum case, and then like I don't know, like a green but with an offset of kind of white, like an offset white, for this part. I don't know what it's called. That's great. Okay. And then for Icy's got like the light blue with white in her stuff. So I was gonna plan on doing that, and then add like a custom keycap where it was otter themed. So like where you'll find like Pikachu stuff. Oh, okay, that didn't work. Where you'll have like the escape key as like a Pikachu or something like that. I'm gonna make that an otter, and do that for her keyboard, and then something. I plan to do something with um. Dude, that's the wrong way. Okay, anyways, but yeah, I plan to do something for both myself, of course, and then Icy Moo and Matthew I am, and I'll link both of their Twitches as well as Icy's YouTube. So definitely go follow and subscribe to them. It's cool. They're cool. They're great. They're amazing streamers. I love them. I actually played with Icy today, and I was dying. Like, not even like just like physically dying. I was so dead. Like oh my god, she's so fun to play with. We won 2 games exactly, and that was actually pretty cool. I've never won 2 games in a single day unless it's like a really good day and I can actually like win a game, because yeah, I can never do that, especially on when I'm recording videos. Oh, also, I'm gonna start doing new content, so I plan to do some modded Minecraft YouTube content as well as the Hypixel zombies that they have in the arcade. So all of that is going to be included into my YouTube videos, as well as like Matthew's SMP, and of course I'm not going to like leak the IP for him for that, because you need to actually be following him or have some kind of resemblance. Why am I getting double rushed? Dude! Okay, Gray's gonna actually take longer. Wait, actually? Wait, oh, wait. Okay, he actually ran away. Okay, that's cool. He's, oh, okay, now he's coming back. Please, stop, please, friend, please, friend. Ah, Jesus. Bro! I hate this game. Okay, but yeah, I think that's all. This was like a very jumbled video, but I mean, content, right? Content. And I think the next time that I do Bed Wars, I will absolutely do content with Icy, because she's so funny and I love her, and yes, it's just I had such a great time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing. Subscribing is free, and you can always unsubscribe later. And don't forget to subscribe to the other people if you haven't subscribed to them yet. But thank you again for watching, and I'm sorry this was like a jumbled mess.